We're going to be doing a mail call today because I've got like 40 envelopes, packages, and boxes to go through. That being said, because it's so many, and because I was trying to cut down on the number of packages I open for these mail calls, I will be doing an expedited thank you to everyone who sent something in. All right. Hopefully you like this new format. Let's start off with the envelopes, then we'll get into some packages, and we'll finish up with the box. Let's go. First set of envelopes contain a couple of goodies from our friend Panda. I got a nice Touring Texas crossword puzzle and a Play It Forward sneaky card. Thank you, Panda. I will definitely have fun doing crosswords, and for those that don't know, I used to do them all the time with my grandfather. My next envelope comes from CoinKid, who said, Rob, I just got into decorating quarters, so I made these RobFindsTreasure coins. And no rare and expensive coins were used in the making. Take a look at these little cool coins that he decorated for me. Very, very cool, brother. I will add these to the RFT coin collection. Thank you, CoinKid. My next package came from Marky Mouse, and he needed some help identifying some Canadian cents. He sent me a couple of 1965s, a 47, and a 53. He wanted me to look at them under the scope and let him know which of the varieties for those years they were. For sake of time, I'm not going to put them under the scope in this video, but Marky Mouse, you sent me two 1965 small beads, and I know you were hoping they were the large beads, but they're the small beads. The 47 you sent me is a blunt 7, not a pointed, and the 53 you sent me is the no shoulder fold, not the shoulder fold. I'll be sending those back. Thank you very much for the collection of wheat cents you sent me, and I appreciate the kind words in the letter. My next item comes from Minotaurxx. Take a look at this. Beautiful British Empire Ceylon, 1 cent from 1870. We've got Queen Vicky on the obverse and a beautiful designed reverse. Ceylon, 1 cent, 1870. Beautiful. Love that little palm tree sitting there. Thank you, Minotaurxx, for the goodie for my collection. My next letter comes from Matthew Liu. He sent me a beautiful 1963 Ben Franklin $half that I can use for my collection or use as an EOS. We'll probably use it in EOS, Matthew. And check this out. A 2005 Wan Yi Zhao. Hope I said that right. Did you some justice. His grandfather used to send him notes and old coins that he got from China. So he wanted to send me one for my collection. Very beautiful designed coin. Super shiny, almost proof-like. Matthew, I sent your stickers out in the mail, so you should get those shortly. And thank you for the kind words and the letter. My next item comes from Robert from Temporal Coins. And take a look at this Superman Batman silver round. What a stunner. He knows I have a Batman and a Superman watch. Wanted to support the channel. Can't get mad at that. I believe this is a $10 coin. Yeah. Awesome. 2016. I will definitely add this to the collection. And thank you, Temporal Coins. My next package comes from Ravenhawk Coins. Have a great day. Just kidding, brother, but he sent me some stickers to give away for my likes giveaways during my stream, as well as an ounce of silver. Take a look at this bad boy. Man, a Krugerrand. Can't get mad at that. 2018. And even an ounce of copper as well. And whoa, it's the Pale Horse. Come on. Unbelievable. Man, brother, I will be super excited giving away these rounds on one of my streams. Look at the design of this bad boy right here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thank you, Ravenhawk Coins, for the goodies for the giveaway, the nice letter, brother, and of course your channel stickers. My next package comes from Wuster, who simply writes, Kennedy! Hope he brings you luck. And take a look at it. A 3D stamped Kennedy $half 1974. This thing is awesome, brother. We will definitely keep it out here for some good luck. Unbelievable. Thank you so much, Wuster. I appreciate it. My next package comes from Francis Soms. Now, we're just going to be doing a trade, but I did not know he was sending me a cool hand-drawn image of my likeness. You gotta love it. The trade was pretty basic. I don't normally show trades on my mail calls, but I wanted to show off that. But he sent me some old Canadian cents for a couple of W's. I'll get them in the mail, brother. And beautiful, beautiful artwork. I didn't say it in the video, but I wanted to point it out that Francis does anime production work. So very, very awesome that I got myself an anime image, if you will. How cool is that? Thanks again, Francis from Anime Productions. My next package comes from Enigma Coin Collector. He sent me some goodies along with a very, very kind note. Thank you very much, Enigma Coin Collector. His biggest question was, is this a clipped planchet? And when I looked at it under the scope, the few things I'm looking for is, one, how does the strike look in relationship to the clip? And there's a lot of damage around it. So it looks like to me it might have been post-mint clipped. But the other way to tell is you go directly across from it and you're looking for a weak strike across from it, and it doesn't exhibit any weak strike at 180 degrees directly across. In my opinion, this is not a true clipped planchet. It is post-mint damage. That being said, brother, if you want it back, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to send it back. But I believe we have here just a post-mint damaged nickel made to look like it's a clipped planchet. Thanks again, Enigma Coin Collector, for the kind letter and the goodies, and let me know what you want to do with this coin if you want it back. My next package comes from PennyDog, and she writes, Rob, just a quick note and a small gift to tell you how much I appreciate the invite and support on your January 13th box battle. I had so much fun chatting with you, Raven and Seeker, and my love to Charlani and Kai. Woof, PennyDog. Sent me an awesome PennyDog channel sticker, and take a look at this. Not really a small gift, PennyDog. This is more than you needed to do. I was not expecting anything in return. We were happy to have you on the nickel battle and help you get to 1,000 subscribers. But wow, PCGS MS69 Australia Year of the Dog 2018. Unbelievable silver round and slabbed. PennyDog, thank you so much for support of my channel and the surprised, unneeded, but most welcomed silver round. My next package comes from KCoin, coin roll hunting and more. He sent me his channel stickers, a beautiful 44D silver war nickel, an 06 Philadelphia minted Barber dime, a 47 Philadelphia minted Roosevelt dime, and a 1950 nickel. He says, Rob, you can keep the 1950 nickel, but please use the other coins along with some of my stickers for some EOS giveaways. Very considerate of you, KCoin. I'll definitely keep a sticker for me, like you said, as well as the 50p nickel, and I'll be giving away the other items on one of my future streams. Check out KCoin. His link will be down below. Awesome, brother. My second to the last package comes from Madam B's Treasure. Now, for those that don't know, Madam B is actually conducting a huge silver round giveaway on my February 14th or Valentine's Day stream. So she sent me some copper rounds to give out between now and then, just as likes or EOSs, and there's 16 of them here. On top of that, if you're planning on being on my February 14th stream, when we open a box for Madam B's Treasure, there will be a comment video for that box she has on her channel, which will be posted during my stream for a special silver round. So I guess to be a little preemptive, if you're not subscribed to Madam B's Treasure's channel currently, maybe you should click it down below, give her a subscription. That way you're all set to go when she releases that video. Just wanted to point that out. Thank you, Madam B's Treasure. Looking forward to handing out these beauties over the next several streams. Compliments of you. Today's final package comes from Jodi England. Now, before I get started, I wanted to say he has a special item he wants me to hang right in that spot. The Gotham City Bat Eye license plate, or Bat 1 license plate. Unbelievable. You know what? I think I will hang it up there. Thank you very much, Jodi England. He also sent me a bunch of goodies. A red book, a blue book. We've got a National Quarters State album. We've got a Kennedy half dollar album and a Sacagawea dollar coin album, as well as a couple of fish banks. Yes, fish banks. He said the fish banks come from the organization that he works for, wants me to keep one and give one away. I don't have any videos to link them to, but would love it if I could share his IDES Media Department channel, which I will post down below. Jody, very cool stuff. He did say I could give these away or keep them. I will be definitely giving them away. I have these in my collection already. But I'll definitely keep a Ides Media fish bank for myself and use one to give away as well. And then finally, look out for that Bat Gotham City license plate in a future stream. Thank you very much, Jodi England. Whew. Well, that wraps it up. I did open more packages than you saw filmed. Some of them, or most of them, were either trades or other types of things that I didn't think need to be shown on this video. That being said, anyone who has sent me something, if you wonder if I got it, you can leave a comment down below or send me an email and I can validate that I have. I still have about 5 or 10 more packages that I will do in a future mail call episode, as well as add any other future mail I receive to those future episodes. That being said, I do want to close out this video with a big thank you to everyone who has sent me a package, for those that have it featured and those that did not, as well as the trades we've done. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you enjoyed this condensed, quicker version of my mail calls. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.